In 2015, I wrote a book called Chart Pattern Analysis, and this book is about how a super trader was able to use 11,000 to make 42 million in just 23 months trading stocks. And his name is Dan Zenger. If you want to know how he did it, please look for this book. This is in the popular bookstore up to today. Already 4 years, it is the best seller. I'm also an author of The Power of Japanese Candlestick book. Now, I'm very proud of this book because number one, it is endorsed by my good friend Steve Nissen. Steve Nissen is actually the grandfather of Japanese candlesticks in the whole world. He's the one who introduced Japanese candlesticks to the world. Every day when you look at the screen and the charts, you are looking at Japanese candlesticks. But do you know how it functions? Do you know what are the uses of Japanese candlesticks? Do you know how to construct Japanese candlestick and interpret Japanese candlesticks? If you don't, this is the perfect book for you. By myself and endorsed by Granddaddy of Japanese Candlesticks, Mr. Steve Nissen.